Now, it was another windy day today, although the wind today was not nearly as strong as it was on Wednesday. Deep Creek had a peak wind gust of 83 miles per hour, and Deep Creek is in Glacier County. Judith Peak in Fergus County had a peak wind gust of 79 miles per hour. Geyser had a peak wind gust of 66 miles per hour. Cascade and Fort Belknap had a peak wind gust of 62 miles per hour. And then Lewistown and Browning had a peak wind gust of 60 miles per hour. Belt had a peak wind gust of 57 miles per hour. Same thing in Zortman, 56 miles per hour in Loma, 54 miles per hour in Chinook, Choteau, and Great Falls. Malta had a peak wind gust of 46 miles per hour, and then Havre had a peak wind gust of 45 miles per hour. So many locations in north central Montana had peak wind gusts over 40 miles per hour during the day today. The wind has been diminishing over the past several hours. It's still breezy in some areas right now, but the wind's not nearly as strong as it was earlier today. It will continue to be gusty tonight in southern and western portions of north central Montana. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour will be possible at times. Elsewhere, we are going to have diminishing wind this evening with just a little breeze around overnight. Gusty winds will persist tomorrow in basically the same areas where we had the strongest wind today. So in western and southern portions of north central Montana, sustained winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts over 40 miles per hour possible at times. The further east you are, that's where there will be little to no wind during the day tomorrow. Then as we go through tomorrow night, it will continue to be windy along the Rocky Mountain front, but the wind will begin to diminish elsewhere. And then a lot of us will get a much needed break from the wind as we head into Sunday. On the Great Falls Clinic Ikim, it was a beautiful day today. We had dry conditions with partly to mostly sunny skies throughout the day. There were a few isolated rain and snow showers within north central Montana, but a lot of locations have been dry throughout the day. We had some rain and snow around the Helena area earlier today, but that precipitation quickly worked its way out of the Helena area as we went through the afternoon and the evening. And overall, the weather is definitely quieter throughout the Pacific Northwest today compared to what we saw during the day yesterday, compared to what we have had for most of this week. Overnight tonight, snow is likely along the Continental Divide and portions of the Rocky Mountain front. Out across the plains, a lot of us will be dry, but a few snow showers will be possible tonight, primarily along the high line. If you do see some snow tonight, a quick coating is possible, but really not expecting much, if any, accumulation. Tomorrow, it's going to be a beautiful day, mostly sunny skies, a couple isolated snow showers possible. Most of us will be dry. Snow will continue to fall along the Continental Divide, though, especially in the Glacier National Park area. And then as we head into tomorrow night, we'll have mainly clear skies with mostly dry conditions, increasing clouds on Sunday as the next disturbance begins to approach our area. A winter weather advisory is in effect for the Rocky Mountain front and the glacier area through 11 a.m. or 5 p.m. tomorrow. 2 to 6 inches of snow is possible at and below pass level, and that does include Marias Pass. Up to 10 inches of snow is possible above mountain pass level. In the lower elevations, again, if you do see some snow tonight, especially along the high line, a quick coating is possible, but really not expecting any snow accumulation for most of us. It is going to be cold tonight. Low temperatures in the single digits, teens, and 20s, with the coldest temperatures along the high line. Tomorrow, high temperatures are going to be in the 20s, the 30s, and the low 40s, with the coldest temperatures along the eastern half of the high line.